What's going on? Hope everybody's doing well out there. So I'm back on the wonderful Civic. Last video that I did, actually it's still loud as I don't know what out there. Last video I did was talking about the what we got going on. Oh, I found a pinpoint what was the issue. Bad gas in the car. Drained it out. I have a new fuel pump. It's a OSiAS fuel pump. Now I don't know how many pressure, all that craziness, the pressure side, the pressure, I can't get up. But anyway, the size of it is a little smaller than my regular one. Hold on, than my regular. This is about, give you, yes, sit you down for a little bit. So this is about a little shorter. Well, not much shorter, but we'll show you how short that is. I'm gonna install it. It comes with the little two bags. That goes the fuel bags that go underneath here. I got a couple clamps. Oh, okay. I got the plug. Zip ties. Might need more than that. And directions. I'm gonna install it hopefully by, it's gonna get installed today actually. It's gonna get installed today. The thing about it is once I get it installed, I probably won't start the car up till like next week because I'm waiting for a spacer, for a fuel regulator spacer. And so once I get that on, cross fingers, the car starts better. It definitely was a bad gas in there. It's definitely, like I said before, this car just needs a little extra love and care, which I actually been trying to do. I still left the fuel tank open, kind of air itself out since I drained out the fuel. Sorry, such a screwy today. It's one of those days. It's just weather in Connecticut. It's like weird. Excuse me again. So I'm not gonna go by how to install a fuel pump. So many videos out there how to do it, but for me, I'm switching the mines out. It was all corroded. The old one, pretty much I bought this like maybe 3 years ago. Due to the fact that it's been sitting in the gas. Of course, you see the corrosion up there, which is real fun. There you go. The fuel, even down to the holder. I didn't think I'm gonna purchase one down the line. Right now, it's still holding up, which is cool, which is perfect for me because everybody want an arm and a leg just for that piece. So. For me, I will get one down the line, upgrade it for a little bit. It's a lot of little stuff in here that I need to do. Actually, when I do that, I actually gotta take my fuel filter that's against the firewall, drain that out of gas. What else we got? So that's pretty much what we got going on for the car today. And then what I want to do is probably once I get the fuel, like I said, the spacer back in line. My mind is all over the place. Today is one of like wacky days today. But once I get the spacer, I'm gonna put the regular. I'm gonna try it with this. I'm gonna try the fuel regulator with the what is this one? I'm gonna try this aftermarket fuel regulator with the fuel rail with the spacer. If this fuel rail does not work with this fuel regulator, I'm gonna switch out the rail. Even though it's an aftermarket, it's the hardest shit ever. It's not fun when you gotta mismatch stuff, and I hate doing that. I try to keep it simple, but sometimes when you work on cars, it's never that simple to work on. What else we got working on today? and probably work on the interior. Try to get this, once I get that done, I'll probably work on the inside, the interior of the car, and get it all fixed back up. I thought, oh, there go my spark plugs. See, this is what happens when you leave stuff around. I was looking for some, not spark plugs, my sockets. What else? Oh, putting the interior here, putting that back together. How? Yeah, it's all jacked up. It's all jacked up now. So once I get everything, I think we'll start, like I said, with the pump, put that back in today, and go from there, and I'll be a happy camper. Oh yeah, happy camper. It's got muggy in there. I'll be good to go. What else we got planned for this car? And then we go from there. On that note, catch you next time. Peace.